riding here, guys. What in the world is this? Is this a 10R? Is this a freaking 10R? Whoa. What is this, guys? All right. So it's time to hit the highway, and I'm pretty sure you guys read the title. This is my first ride with this bike, and I'm taking this baby home. That's right, you heard me right. My first liter class ever. So well, my first time on a 1000. God made this happen. My parents made this happen. My friends made this happen. So I can't thank them enough, genuinely. I just cannot thank them enough. As I said, a brand new bike for me. First time on a liter class. And I will be talking less. Don't judge me why I don't have gloves on, because when you're on a new bike, you need to feel the inputs a lot more. You need to feel the inputs, you need to know what the bike is doing, and with the gloves that gets a little desensitized, I would say, in my opinion. So we got to be careful with that. It's a brand new bike, the handling is new to me. I still have to get used to its balance and all of that stuff. So you guys enjoy the exhaust note, and hopefully you'll enjoy this ride home. I will keep trying to entertain you all as far as I can, keep talking to you all, but boy, is this every man and every boy's dream that comes true. So yes, thank you for whoever the fuck made this happen. Not whoever the fuck, you get what I'm saying, whoever and everyone that made this happen. And also my mic is in a different position, so I hope it's picking up my voice and also the engine sound, and also cutting out the wind noise. All of these disclaimers are in the start of this vlog itself. Okay, 6,000 RPMs and this comes alive, man. 6,000 RPMs and this comes alive. But yeah, I have got to be careful. As I said, I don't have my gloves on. I am within the city, even though this is a highway, I agree, but I am in the city. I have to get my basic inputs right on the bike first without screwing things up. So please bear with me. It's going to be a chill ride, it's going to be a slow ride, and I hope you guys enjoy as much as I am having fun on this. Scorching hot heat. We've got the traffic as usual. So, but I know it's too early to comment. You guys will be like, man, we are such a fucking noob for even saying this. But this bike fucking inspires confidence the minute you get on it. When I test rode this bike while I was considering it, not once did I feel intimidated by the ZX-10R, and that says a fucking lot for it to be a liter class. For somebody that's coming out from a 390 group, you have literally 200 PS of power. This thing is backfiring on me like I don't know what, and it says a lot, man, when a 200 bhp missile is composed in city traffic like this. That says a lot. I'm not out of place, I'm not uncomfortable, and that says a lot about this bike, you know. So kudos to that ZX-10R. And boy, does it just slice through traffic. Even though I'm not slicing, I'm like literally just chilling the fuck out with this thing, you know. I'm absolutely chilling the fuck out. But man, that sort of tells you enough. hope you guys enjoy this little ride home. What is this? At the moment I've kept the bike in power mode in the full power mode, but I've kept traction to 3, so any wheel spin that I do not expect in a 1000 will be avoided, just in case I'm a little rough on the throttle, which I highly doubt, because genuinely I keep myself grounded when it comes to this kind of power. There is no fucking way in hell that I am over and above this power, so I respect it and I should bricks with such power, you know. So yeah, I am definitely getting one shade darker today. By the time I get home, my legs are frying in these jeans, and my hands are like on fire, for the least to say. So that's that. But these are the tricky situations that you've got to get used to get your legs down, roll them, put them back on the pegs. All of these small things, you know, you don't want to tip the bike over, misbalancing it and all of that. Roads aren't really the best right now. I'm just waiting to like get free stretches of highway, but thank God it's not an absolute disaster. God, how does this thing open, man? What the fuck? That was literally no throttle input. Yep. Checkpost 1 cleared. Not like I don't have the papers or anything, or everything's clear on the bike, but super bikers are used to always or are sort of tend to get caught. So I don't blame the police for doing their job. They're just doing their job, checking on such vehicles that are out of the blue. They're not regular vehicles, so I get that they're doing their job, but they do have to understand what a super bike is and all of that. You know, we get caught on stock exhaust for the exhaust being loud. So yeah, I can't express this enough, guys. I genuinely can't express this enough, but I am so damn comfortable right now on the bike. I am riding a liter class for the first time in my life. I have ridden friends liter classes, don't get me wrong, but I didn't think I'd be this comfortable on this bike. I'm zapped at what Kawasaki has engineered and designed. Man, is this bike an absolute blast. Holy shit! Yeah guys, from now on in all my vlogs you're going to hear a lot of screaming, because yeah, that's what 1000s make you do. dodge it, not taking that pothole, not today. You're going to hear a lot of screaming, so get ready for it. Heavy on the brakes, cutting across. I really hope the angle of the GoPro is right, because it's the first time I'm just using it on my stock setting. So if that isn't right, I'll know after this vlog if I have to sort of change the setup of my GoPro. As I said, the mic is in a different position, so I hope you're getting the audio of both the bike and the voice. As a boy, since I don't know, since I was 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the dream we grew up with. Fascinated as fuck with these races we saw on television. Don't get me wrong, it's not the races, it's the bikes that fascinated us. These liter class monsters. I'm still having a tough time digesting this in the first ride that I own one today, and man, I'm sort of welling up, honestly speaking, because I don't think anybody knows how much this means to me, and just because it means that much, I'm probably going to ride it just as responsibly. I never thought genuinely, like ever, that I'd probably own one of these, because man, number one, the prices and all of that jazz. But for everybody, every single person that was involved in this, from my friends coming to fucking check out bikes like 28 and 30 kilometers far off, offering to go to another state to see bikes, man, you guys know who you are, and I love you all for that. So thank you. Second of all, most importantly, thank my parents that made this happen as well, for helping me out in every single way possible, because I don't see how this would have happened without them. But yeah, I just leave it at that thank every single person that made this happen, and I probably can't thank you all enough. I genuinely can't thank you all enough. Okay, wow. In full traction control, the fucking tire steps out on me, man. Wow. I can only imagine what kind of power this has, and I haven't even like started tapping it. I'm riding it like my 390, bro. I'm legitimately riding it like my 390 right now, with all decency. Like you've seen the speeds I've been doing. I'm not gone over 100. I can't even fathom what this bike will do if I try that. It's going to take me a whole year to relearn motorcycling on a bike like this, on a bike so technologically advanced, so damn fuck. I'm out of words right now. So just enjoy the ride, man. What is this? What kind of mother of Jesus Christ? Thank the Lord. Thank you, God, for everything. Whoa, backfire. I've been silent for a most part of this vlog, but I'm genuinely just taking in the ride experience, guys. So this is how this vlog was going to be. Hopefully there'll be more banter from all the next vlogs where we have fun with this beautiful, beautiful piece of art. Yeah, this machine you've got to be careful with, man. This is a machine you've got to be careful with. It just shows you your place if you act funny with it. It definitely shows you your place if you act funny with it. We're already within the city limits. So, yup.
इसका माइलेज कितना है 1 लीटर में?
12-13 देता है।
12-13।
कैसे चलाते उस पे भी है ना, कैसे चलाओगे उस पे भी है। हाथ खुलेगा तो खाएगी, कम थोड़ा आराम से चलाओगे तो देगी। This is indeed the test of a 1000cc in the city. This is my biggest fear, bringing this monster through Dharavi, because it is always packed, congested, whatever you want to call it. Oh god, man, I can't afford to open this one. She is too damn much. Wow. And the first rev bombs. Alright guys, I will probably end the vlog here. Lots more coming up with this baby. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the ride. I'll put in whatever was the best, whatever little talking I did, but I will interact with you guys a lot more. Tell me how many times I said a lot out there, and I will see you guys in the next one, my loves.